In this video, I'll be auditing my closed captions Fiverr gig. My name is Armando, and I'm a Level One Fiverr seller, and I'll show you some tips and tricks that you can actually implement today for you to outrank your gig. So, without further ado, let's get into it.
Great. So let's have a look at this closed captions gig that I've been working on. This is my second most successful gig, so I want to be able to rank it up a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is to go on Fiverr, and I'm going to look for the word that I think has got the best matching here. I know for a fact that closed captions is the one that's been giving me good results. So if I come back here, it should be around here. Yeah. So yeah, this is me. I'm going to be opening 3 gigs in here for my competition. These are ahead of me in here. This one, and this one right here. And you can open as many gigs as you want. But the thing is that you want to be able to understand where is there like commonalities. So let's go in here and let's see first the titles. One thing that I noticed is that they all have the word closed captions in here. It could be a plural or singular. So closed caption and closed captions. They also have the SRT word in it. But in my case, I'm using it down here along with BTT. So this one right here is a good matching here. Also, the word transcribing here. This is something that I could probably transform into a new gig. I think I already have it, but it's not very successful. Like I haven't had a single order in here. So I'm gonna be using transcribing here. But in my case, I knew that I have it right here as transcriptions. And this is something that is worth mentioning. Try to just use words like Instagram Reels, TikTok, Shorts, because those words that could indirectly redirect you to closed captions in here. What else I've got here? The prices. Perhaps they have a good amount of traffic, but they're making the prices may vary by number of orders. So keep that in mind. You might have a bigger price, but like a bigger selling price, but less orders. So keep in mind if there's like a frequency. So this guy must have a lot of traffic in here and buyers. Another thing you can do is look at the word they're actually proactive. Look at the highlights in here. These are little keywords that they live. So for example, transcribe, as I said before, you can keep it as a keyword for your gigs in here. In here, you can also keep looking, scan things that you might be mentioning, and put it in here. What you can do, and try to emulate it, is to get the whole gig in your description, copy it, and rephrase it. Find a way for you to make it yours, and find your own voice within this paragraph. So it's already done for you. Just try to not copy it. Try to get some inspiration. Perhaps just like get all these descriptions in here. I'll put it in a Word document and start making adjustment. Extract, replace, eliminate, renew, and you can do the same thing in here. Also, on the very low back in here, there's like a keywords thing in here. These are words that you can actually use on your titles. So come down here, you can use all these words. So subtitles, I actually used it in my thumbnail in here. So it's captions and subtitles. So that's like a little hack that you can actually take into consideration. So you come down here as well. And yes, so closed captions, SRT, description, and YouTube subtitles. So that's another good thing to see. And what else I can give you some tips in here. You can also see how your gig ranks by the categories. So if you go to video and animation, and you go to subtitles in here, here it is. It gives you another perspective and see how your gig stands instead of just like inputting closed captions in this case. So it's good to see. You can also come back here and make those and see the reports. A good indicator for you to see if it's already ranking well is this. If you go down here and if you can find it on the first 5 pages, then great. It's already ranking well. If not, you need to do some like heavy adjustments. So I'm gonna come down here, and I'm gonna come back to top keywords. And if you're in the same niche that I am, where's the thing? You can use these words in here, and these are words that you can actually use for your closed captions gigs in here if you're in the same industry. So there's the words that you can use for yourself. Keep that in mind. It is like it's like a freebie that I'm giving you guys for and in the video with me. And yeah, hope this brings value to your gigs, and let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.